Shout out! Shout out Olivia Mipana Annalyn Baltimore. This is Diana Lalatorista. Yeah, shout out. This is Mommy D. Shout out everyone. Woo! My favorite bridge, London Bridge. Portman Bridge. Ooh, I feel like I'm in the USA, Las Vegas. Charosh. Hey, see you soon, Las Vegas. Woo! Eric, we're gonna buy me ticket. Yeah, right? It's only $200 or $300. Woo! But if you wanna go with me, it's okay. But it's summer. Or I can save money like $50 or every paycheck, right? I can save $50 every paycheck until I earn that money, like 300, 400, something like 4 months, 5 months. Yeah, I'm gonna buy my own ticket, but Eric will give me an allowance. Joke. It's not a joke. It's a joke, but it's not really a joke. What? Give me 100, okay? Budget, okay? Ouch! Oh, I'm sorry. Joke lang. Ito naman mga to. Baka sabihin niya. Totoo naman. Hello guys. Shout out tayo mga guys. Shout out Oli in Canada vibes. Kuracha in Canada. Boss Bing Channel. Hello Kitty. Zen Kitty. Kuya Al Vlog. Chill Azzy. Annalisa TV Mix Vlog. Sino pa ba? Si Nanay Pepay. Sino pa ba? Sino pa bang nakalimutan ko? Shout out. Yahoo! Ayan, pabalik na po ng bahay. Dito na po kami sa Canada. Papunta na po kami ng Australia. Yung aking asawa na agay. I need to save money for my Las Vegas next year. Yahoo! Only 300, I think. It's cheaper than going to Ontario. We check the ticket. Like Ontario is kind of like 600 something like that. But in Las Vegas, like 270. Yeah, like 2 hours, like almost 3 hours by plane, and it costs like 250 to 70 like that. So like what? It's cheap. Wow, it's cheap. So like 2 months or 3 months paycheck. So I'll save like $50 every paycheck. Yay! So I still have one year. 1 year to to save. Bahala ka dyan. Welcome to Lougheed Highway, Lougheed. Burnaby, Lougheed, Burnaby. Part of Burnaby. So Sunday today, pabalik na kami sa aking apartment, sa aking tinirahan. Sa aking tirahan. Ayan, welcome to Lougheed. mga lods. Come on. Oh my gosh. Huwag daw ako maingay kasi ano, magma-merge na kami. Change lane tayo, guys. Nakakatakot dito kasi highway. Pag nag-change lane ka, ang bilis ng mga sasakyan. Ito ang aking daanan pag ako'y natutong magmaneho. Ito ang aking routes. Ang aking route. Entering Burnaby. Ayan, so thank you for watching, guys. parang aning-aning naman ako. Ayan. Pag diniretso mo yan, papunta na siya ng Vancouver. So dito tayo sa kanan, papunta sa Burnaby. Burnaby, ayan. Maraming salamat sa pagdudot sa ating mga video, mga lalabs. Dahil si Mommy D ay busy sa kanyang work. Laging may overtime, may 2 hours overtime. Salamat sa inyong pagdudot. Olivia Mipana, Oli in Canada Vibes, and Corache in Canada. Ayan. Hayaan mo, yayaman din tayo. Charosh! Pag may lola. Ay, naka. Kailangan gawa lang ng gawa ng video. Kahit short lang, diba? At least may nadadagdag na ano, tawag dito ng legit na subscribers. Yes. Shout out. Talking too much. Hey,
If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad.
So, ang bilis na naman ng weekend. So, tomorrow, back to work. Back to work. My baby. Back to work tomorrow, baby. Ang bilis daw ng weekend. Parang Biyernes tulog, Sabado tulog, Biyernes uwian, ay Saturday uwian na.
So,
What song is that? Thank you for watching, guys. Love, love, love.